sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We have Sudhir Sharma. We would like to hear from you, Sudhir Sharma.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Sudhir Sharma. I am assistant Institute of Applied Sciences, Nainital, and it's good to be here for this wonderful FDP. So, I'm thanking you, Amandeep Kaur, ma'am, and Sofat sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We have Chitra Dhawale. Ma'am, are you there? Chitra Dhawale.
Just I introduce myself, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay.
Okay.
Dr. Rita Chakole. Dr. Rita Chakole.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice session, ma'am.
Ma'am, we would like to have your introduction, like from which institute?
Myself, Dr. Rita Chakole, Associate Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Karad, near Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay. Dr. Jack Kumar S. Patil.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Dr. Jay Patel. I am professor and in-charge director in Chaudhary Technical Institute, Gujarat, Gandhinagar. I am very thankful to you and AICT to conduct these kinds of FDP and allow me for this name. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Dr. PCV Srinivasa Rao. Dr. PSV.
Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
This is Dr. Srinivasa Rao, working at professor at Vignan Engineering College for Women. It is a great thing to participate in this Atal program. Today we got a good section, madam. That's all, ma'am. Okay.
Sir. Dr. Pushpanjali. Dr. Pushpanjali Patil. Dr. D. Prasanna. Dr. V. Subbaramaya.
Hello, madam.
Yes, sir.
This is Dr. V. Subbaramaya, working as assistant professor in the Department of CSC, Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology, Hyderabad.
Okay, sir.
Today, I learned a lot from cyber security in the morning session and the afternoon session. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, sir.
My name is Vamsi Naidu, ma'am. Currently working as assistant professor in Lakhireddy Baldi College of Engineering, which is near Vijayawada. I have a doubt that why people are not including the cyber security related concepts and tools in the actual curriculum of BTech or any kind of technical degree. May I know the reason?
So for this, do we have sir here? So what, sir? Because
Okay.
this is basically
I'll tell you.
out of my scope.
Basically, we that depends upon the institute only. If I look at the AICT curricula only, AICT has included information security as one of the course along with the practical lab. In case I look for Punjab Engineering College, we have got a master's program in information security. We of MTech program where we discuss all tools, techniques, everything about information security. And for our BTech program also, we have got one specialization there, which is information security. And for other departments also, we are taking up one course either in the open elective as far as the cyber security, information security is concerned. So it depends upon the institute. In case various institute take the initiative, then this can be included. Rather, we will be happy to help in that aspect also.
Yes, sir. In information security is not enough to solve the entire cyber security related issues, because it always tells us the cryptography and the different cryptographic algorithms. But
Sir,
I
depends.
feel like cyber security is somewhat bigger image. It's not a small thing, right?
Yeah, that I agree. Because that's what I was trying to give you the various paradigms as far as the cyber security is concerned. Every security aspect is covered in cyber security only.
Yes, yes.
And each of them is the area in itself. So that's why this depends upon how the curriculums are planned in that case. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, madam. Madam, myself Ravinder Paspula. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Madam, good afternoon, madam. Myself Ravinder Paspula, madam, from Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Thank you for accepting me to attend this session, madam. It's a wonderful session. Hello, am I audible?
That's our pleasure.
Madam, madam, one question to you, madam, regarding the security. Madam, is there any scope to do PhD in this area, madam?
Absolutely, sir. This is one of the booming area in any domain if you talk about.
Okay.
Nowadays, it's not only left to computers, as we have seen, quantum cryptography is there. So mechanics has also been introduced into it. So there is a huge scope in this particular area if you want to go ahead with this. There are
One more
various
thing,
security
madam.
vulnerabilities on which you can work upon.
Okay. Madam, one more thing, DNA cryptography is there, na, madam?
Yes, sir.
DNA cryptography, we can provide security for information from one point to other point. So, can we combine these two modern cryptography like, AES, RS algorithms and with this DNA cryptography?
Absolutely, sir. These are the basic encryption algorithms which are in use. So if you want to incorporate that code into your particular problem, you can do that. That is absolutely fine.
Thank you, madam. Thank you
To
very
design a
much.
particular system in that way.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You're audible.
I am Priyabrata Sahu from Indira Gandhi Institute of Technology, an autonomous engineering college, government of Odisha, which comes under Biju Patnaik University of Technology. It's a very nice session, and thanks to all the members of this team. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Dr. Manoj Charade, professor from Government College of Pharmacy, Karad, Maharashtra. Both the session I have attended, it was very nice. And though we are from the pharmacy field, but I got very much interest in the cyber security. That's why I enrolled to this FDP. And thank you very much to enroll me in the FDP. And thank you.
Thank you, sir. That is why we have kept our topics general so that everyone can understand it.
Right, madam. Thank you very much.
Hello. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
My voice is audible for me.
Yes, your voice is audible, sir.
Madam, this is N. Srinivas Rao, madam. I am working as assistant professor in Lakhireddy Balreddy College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, which is located at Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. So I am very enthusiastic to learn all these concepts which are related to security. So I am very eagerly looking forward to the remaining all the sessions, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
This is Dr. Ganesh, Associate Professor in CST Department, Christ deemed to be University, Bangalore. Hello?
Right, sir.
Okay. Even though I am specialized in data science, I would like to learn new concepts in the field of cyber security. Like I'm interested in learning cyber laws, forensics,
and network security and all. So that is the reason I have enrolled this course, and I thank the
Those participants who are not speaking, turn off your mics. There's a lot of disturbance coming.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
There was a query from a participant raised why cybersecurity was not introduced in the BTech curriculum. As per the revised curriculum from AICTE, okay, this cybersecurity has become a mandatory course for second year BTech course. Cybersecurity has become a mandatory course, one of the subjects to be taught in the second year of the BTech course. This is for the information of the participant who was raised just now, why cybersecurity was not part of the curriculum. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for giving the opportunity.
Hello. We have Miss. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hello. Good evening, ma'am. This is Shakina. Currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So during my masters, I used to after the finishment of my classes, I used to run to the R&D department of my college. So where these sessions related to that of cyber security are provided. Then one of the professor had told me that here is a hacker. Like, I'm from EC, so he have recognized me and said, here is a hacker. Then I said, how can I be a hacker? Then he said, you came here to learn ethical hacking, na? So you are a hacker. So from then onwards, I am inclined towards this particular cyber security. So whenever these title FTPs were introduced, and whenever I got a call letter from you people, I was totally overwhelmed with that. And I'm really thankful for you. Thank you, Sanjit sir. Thank you, Amundi ma'am. And all the best to every participant here to make this session grateful and disseminate the same knowledge to your students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. This is Professor Manjari Kalyankar. I am currently working as assistant professor at Rajgad Institute of Management. It's in Pune, and we are affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. And ma'am, I'm very much happy to enroll for this course today because being from a non-technical background, and though I was able to understand both the sessions very well. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, sir. You're audible.
This is Rajgopal from National College of Engineering of Andhra Pradesh. Am I audible, ma'am? I am very happy for your session. We have a nice session today.
I'll take the call, ma'am. So myself, Prasanna. Can you hear me?
Yes. Actually, there are two people speaking at this time. We can hear from Mr. Rajagopala Raja.
Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am quite happy for your sessions, madam. Here I got one note, ma'am. We have been listening, we have been discussing about the SQL injection for so many years. So why the problem, still the problem is only things existing, where it can be resolved. Are there any efforts put to resolve the issue? Please let me know the efforts made to solve the problem.
Thank you, sir. Anyone else?
Very
Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Dr. D. Prasanna.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for giving me the
Please
chance.
go ahead.
Myself, Prasanna, Dr. Prasanna, heading the department.
And I have a doubt, ma'am. So, and before that, it's a pleasure day for me to be an attendee of this ATAL program. And I have a doubt, and I am not sure whether this is the right time to raise this question itself. Right now itself, is there any a chance of ensuring our data in the site, ma'am? Because we are insuring our assets, no? So obviously we are insuring our vehicle or any assets, right? So likewise, we are storing our data in the net. So is there any provision or ensuring our data in the cyber?
Sir, I think I am unable to understand your question.
So, in the sense, do we have any cyber insurance? I am asking like that.
Cyber insurance.
Yeah.
I think
So we are insuring our assets, right? So likewise, we are having our data in the net. So obviously that should be some security for our data, no? So that's why I'm asking whether is there any third-party insurance or any vendor or providing this type of insurance for our data?
Sir, actually,
Whether it's the right question I'm asking.
Your question is very nice, sir, but I do not have its answer. But I would do one thing. We have a speaker from law on this particular area. I'll raise your query to her, and when she'll be delivering her lecture, she'll be coming back to you. Or if I get the response earlier, I will share with you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm Professor Shobha Bindu from JNTU University, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. I'm a professor in computer science and engineering, and I do teach cryptography and network security to my students here. And it's really a wonderful session, and I feel very happy to be associated with this particular workshop, and looking forward for great sessions ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Amandeep ma'am. If I am audible, I am really thankful for being a participant. My name is Kirti Karatmul from KCCMS at Thane, Maharashtra College, working as assistant professor. Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful session.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for participating.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Very good afternoon. This is Kiran Biswal. I'm working as an assistant professor at MIT Pune, and my MTech specialization was in networking and communication. After that, I'm very much interested in that network security and cyber security. I'm really thankful to AICTE and PUC for organizing such informative session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Good
Please
evening,
go ahead.
madam.
Good evening, sir.
My name is Vivek Kumar Pandey. I am from United College of Teaching and Research, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. And ma'am, I want to thank you for selecting me for this FDP program. And I want to say that the session which was held today, both session was really very much wonderful, and I got it. I really enjoyed it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, madam. My voice audible, madam?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yes. Yes, madam. My name is Dr. Raj Anand. I am from Face Institute of Technology, Ongole, madam, Andhra Pradesh. This is a wonderful session for us. We have learned a lot from cyber security. And I request only one thing, madam. Actually, if it is possible, can you please provide to us what are the major research area we can have in the cyber security? It is very helpful for us, madam. It is possible better you can give to us, madam. That is one of my request. I want to
We can
say on behalf
we
of
can
all the
form a list.
participants. Yes.
Yeah, definitely, sir. We can form a list and we will share with you. I think I already have a
Yes,
list
madam.
about the same. I will share the same with you.
Sure, madam. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, madam.
Gyananja Tripathi.
Yes, madam. Good afternoon, madam.
Yes, good afternoon.
Madam, I'm from Odisha. I'm from Trident Academy of Technology. I'm working in computer science department. So I just wanted to say one thing. Definitely your session was good. The previous session was good. But madam, it is a request only that along with all this theoretical part, if you are going through or if you will carry out some practical session along with this, then I think it will be more useful for us, those who are from CSE background at least.
Right, sir. Definitely.
So for the further sessions, can we
Yes,
have
sir.
any practical sessions?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. If you see the schedule, I can just tell you the session numbers. Just a second. The third session that we are having tomorrow, that is securing cloud applications and environments. So that will be a bit of, there will be a bit
Okay, madam, those practical sessions will
security
be
tools. Yes. Some demonstrations, practical work will be shown in these particular. Session
Maybe
number 7 as well.
Aman, I can clarify here. This is as per the scheme which has been discussed with the AICT itself. It's a uniform sort of a thing which we are doing. We may not be able to give you practical hands-on, but obviously we'll show you some of the simulations, some of the tools which are there. Just like in cloud also, tomorrow he will show you some of the tools which you can use. Maybe at a later stage, you can make use of the tools there. That's how we take it.
Yes, sir, that's what I actually means. That's what we need because
Yeah, that's what we are doing.
at the same time we cannot do the hands-on right away
Yeah,
on online
that's
session.
all. Oh yeah. So it will.
So we just wanted to know which are the tools we can.
It will be a demonstration. Every expert will bring his own tools to show you, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. That will be better for this.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your
Thank you,
input,
madam.
sir. Miss Meena Krishnamurthy.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Meena Krishnamurthy, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Software Engineering from Periyar Maniamma Institute of Science and Technology, Tamil Nadu. So I'm very much interested in this area, ma'am. Cybersecurity is one of my. So both the morning session and afternoon session. And once again, I thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to attend this work.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We had Mr. Mohit Kumar was trying to speak.
I'm Dr. Mohit Kumar, and I'm currently working as an assistant professor in Cambridge Institute of Technology, Ranchi. I attended both the sessions, and I'm really thankful to both of you for such wonderful sessions. I'm looking forward to such great sessions ahead. Thank you.